Now, back where we started, it was joy in Frankfield, Clarendon for Edwin Allen, who wrestled the ISSA Grace Kennedy Girls Championship title from Hydel with an emphatic victory on Saturday at the National Stadium for an 11th title. Denise Walters has that story.
The grounds of Edwin Allen High and its environs were transformed into a scene of jubilation on Monday. Athletes, students, staff and supporters, as well as other well-wishers turned up to celebrate their championship victory. Edwin Allen led the point standings from the second day of the 5-day championship and never relinquished that lead. Head coach of the girls' team, Michael Dyke, summed up their compelling victory.
Edwin Allen, one more time. One more victory. You already know the score. 338.5 points, 79-point victory. This was a resounding victory for us this time around. No chance for any recount and anything that could prevent us or deny us from this victory.
And Dyke also commended the boys' team, who finished 7th on 72 points behind winners Jamaica College.
Now I must commend all those students, boys and girls, who participated at champs this year. After all the challenges that we faced leading up, I believe they stood tall above all and did exceptionally well. Congratulations, girls and boys. You did awesome.
Jermaine Harris is the principal of Edwin Allen.
Feeling relief after such a grueling competition. It has been a difficult time for us, but at the end we pulled it off, and we want to say thanks to God for another year, another opportunity that we can celebrate as a school.
And during the celebrations, a moment of silence was held to honor Edwin Allen's late student athlete, Tanisha Gale, who passed away last September.
So we had to suspend the program until we were able to physically test all our athletes so we could get the green light. So that set us back about 6 weeks. Then came Hurricane Melissa, and that would have affected many of our buildings, including the dormitories, so we had to send home students. And then we had the death of our hurdles coach, Mr. Kirkland.
Edwin Allen topped Hydel High and Homer Technical, who are second and third respectively, to win their title. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.